Today I will be solving a leakage issue on the convoy dishwasher. This is one of my favorite equipment which I love working on because it's not critical if you only understand how the machine works. So I have this is just a small work I'm going to be doing on how to rectify this leakage. You can see how it's leaking, so I will be doing that now. So in that I will need a Teflon tape, and I will take my tool bag. Then I have to go and get this thing done. So I'm gonna only show you after work is done. You can see my Teflon tape on top. See the tools I use. So after installation back, so you can see you're not seeing any water dripping or anything, but I'm gonna be testing the unit to see how it's gonna be also on running. So I will start the unit to see how far, if it's successful or not, but I'm well assured that everything is fine now. So that's the full unit, you can see. So in case you'll be wondering how I solved this issue, so what I did is these are Teflon tape. I have to join. You can see some part of the Teflon tape because it was a bit loose. So I'm gonna run the system now to see. So I'll turn on the system now. I have to let it run. So now it's gonna fill up. So it's filling up now. Can you hear the sound? It's filling up. So we have to give it some time to complete. Okay, now we're going to test now. Machine is ready. After filling, start. Let's see. Now it's starting now.